For Ice Bear, after weeks of waiting, it's time to eat. Mom isn't yet free of her burden to nurse. And now, she's got another problem. The Ice Bear is going to follow her everywhere. For him, that could make the difference between life and death. September. With the fall, animals are on the move. But one is settling in for the long haul. By now, every polar bear that's coming ashore has arrived. On the ice, they would have led lives apart. Polar bears in the high north seldom cross paths. The Hudson Bay bears are different. This time of year, they're forced into a narrow corridor of shoreline. They socialize. And Ice Bear gets to learn all the more. Males fight to win a mate. These two are just sparring for practice. For the cubs, it's a spectator sport. Being social has its advantages. The more practice you get, the better your chances when it's time for the real fight. Though when they feel crowded, big males are known to attack cubs. Nursing keeps mothers young from wandering off and getting into trouble. Unless trouble follows them. Ice Bear has been tailing the mother for weeks. Challenging him to leave would take energy. But so does corralling her cubs. Then, a milestone. Boy cub draws away. Independence is a rite of passage, but Ice Bear may turn aggressive. Mother levels a warning. But Boy Cub has tasted something irresistible. It's a costly game of cat and mouse. The calories the cubs are burning come from mom's milk. This has got to stop. Some teenagers are a bad influence. This one is worse. A distraction that's blinded mom to a deadly visitor. A wolf. Where there's one wolf, there could be a pack. Ice Bear is on his own. They're lucky the wolf is as well. But in the confusion, Ice Bear loses track of the others, his lifeline to food and family. Mother's journey isn't over. Here on the coast, they're exposed to threats. Perhaps there'll be safety in the cover of the forest. Their exile is taking them deeper still, into a world even stranger to them. Nobody knows much about the time mothers and cubs spend hidden in the woods. That is about to change. These aren't hunters, they're biologists. And their ammo is just a tranquilizer. They believe the Hudson Bay bears could be a bellwether for the entire species, pioneers of the warming world. These bears spend so much time on land already. If they can't adapt to the longer summers, other populations don't stand a chance. They fit Mom with a video camera. As she wakes up, a unique home movie begins rolling. In 2 weeks, the camera will pop off, and the researchers can get their first glimpse from a polar bear's point of view. It offers a remarkable revelation. The bears have a sweet tooth for berries. It makes no sense. Berries have no fat, no apparent nutritional value for them. And foraging takes a lot of energy. Maybe it's a throwback